Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. If you're feeling constantly broke, tired, and stuck in a cycle you can't seem to break, you're not alone. Today we're diving deep and exposing the top habits that are secretly draining Gen Z and Millennials. Habits that keep you broke, exhausted, and wondering where your time and money go. This isn't just another finance video filled with boring tips. This is your wake-up call, your chance to finally take back control of your money, your energy, and your future. Are you ready to break free from the cycle and start living on your own terms? Let's get into it. First up, impulse spending. That quick dopamine hit from buying stuff you don't need. It's robbing your future self. Break the cycle. Stop trading long-term happiness for 5 minutes of relief. Subscription overload is draining your wallet. Those $10 and $15 charges add up to hundreds a year. Audit your subscriptions, cancel what you don't use, and reclaim your cash. Got a raise? Don't let lifestyle inflation eat it up. Keep your expenses steady and invest the extra. Don't fall for the upgrade everything trap. That's how you build real wealth. Buy now, pay later services are a debt trap in disguise. If you can't pay cash today, you can't afford it. Don't let easy payments trick you into overspending. No budget? You're flying blind. Track your spending. Even 10 minutes a week can change your life. Use free apps to see where your money's really going. Relying on one income is risky. Start a side hustle or invest. Multiple streams mean more security. Even a small second income is a game changer. Waiting to invest is the most expensive mistake. Compound interest rewards early action. Even $5 a month adds up. Start now. Your future self will thank you. Social media FOMO is making you overspend. Don't go broke trying to impress people online. Unplug, mute, and focus on your own goals. Poor sleep destroys your energy and decision-making. Ditch screens before bed and aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest. Sleep is your real superpower. Too much screen time fries your brain. Set limits, take breaks, and go offline daily. Your focus and energy will skyrocket. Sitting all day makes you more tired. Move every hour. Walk, stretch, dance, whatever. A little movement gives you a big energy boost. Junk food and energy drinks give you a quick high, then crash you hard. Fuel up with real food for steady energy. Don't borrow energy from tomorrow. Saying yes to everything drains your soul. Learn to say no and protect your time. It's not selfish, it's survival. A toxic job will drain your energy and spirit no matter how healthy your habits are or how hard you try to stay positive. The constant stress, negativity, and lack of support can slowly wear you down, leaving you feeling exhausted and defeated. If your workplace is crushing you, it's time to seriously consider making a plan to get out. Remember, your mental health and well-being are worth far more than any paycheck or job title. Prioritize yourself. Rest isn't laziness, it's essential. Schedule downtime like you would a meeting. Recharge to stay sharp and creative. You've just discovered the 15 habits that keep so many people feeling stuck, broke, exhausted, and frustrated. Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward real change. Maybe you saw yourself in some of these habits, and that's okay. Awareness is powerful. Now, it's time to take action and start rewriting your story. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to fix everything overnight. Instead, choose just 1 or 2 habits to focus on this week. For example, you could create a simple budget to track your spending. Start investing even a small amount. Move your body every day. Or practice saying no to things that drain your energy or wallet. Small steps add up. Remember, it's the small, consistent actions, done day after day, that lead to massive, lasting change. Celebrate every bit of progress, no matter how tiny it seems. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more practical tips and motivation. Your support helps us reach more people ready to transform their lives. Join our growing community of winners, people just like you, committed to growth, success, and supporting each other on this journey. Remember, you have the power to build a life you don't need to escape from. Start today and watch your future transform.